स्वागतम दोस्तों। आपका पुनः स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पीयूष मेडिकल नॉलेज में। ओके, वेलकम बैक गाइस। टुडे we will see a complete full stack website using Visual Fox Pro as a backend. So first of all, you can see here we have some databases like india.dbf, manifest.dbf, trip advanced.dbf and so on. I will show you some of them like huge trip trips.dbf, then browse. Here you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 records, and this is Delhi, Kolkata, Delhi, Delhi, Delhi. Most of them are Delhi. One of them is Kolkata. Okay. In the same way, if you use advanced browse, you can see the 404 have 3 items and 1 items for 6, 7 and 6, 8. And there is amount. Now I am just closing it all, close all, and now we are going to see the data. First of all, if you refresh it, you will get the data is fetched directly from VFP, India.dbf. Here you can see India.dbf via com interop. Okay, and this data you can see here in Visual Fox Pro like huge India, huge India, BROW, browse, Control F, Gujarat. If you find Gujarat, find next. Here you can see the Gujarat data is Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and 56 33927. And you can see Gujarat, Ahmedabad 56 33927. Okay. This is directly from Visual Park. And now trip dashboard. So before you going to trip dashboard, you must have to log in. Without login, you cannot see the trip. And here you can enable disable the 3D view. This is a 3D enable view. You can disable it. Okay. So we have to log in first. And for login, we have to get the data. So use EM PED, employee ID, then browse. So here we have seen ABC and password is 123. QWE password is 321. So I am going to QWE. 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 Okay. So QWE and the password was 321. Okay, but I am pressing it 5 means wrong password. If you click the wrong password, it will say 404. Oops, the page you are looking for doesn't exist. Go to home. Okay, now I am giving the correct password 321. So here you can see this is a final state. You can see when you log in, the default screen is this one. And if you like this color, then very good. If you don't like, then just go to themes, classic, which is default color. This is the default view. You can choose any themes, emerald green, and this is emerald green theme, ocean blue, sunshine yellow, rose petal, lavender field, autumn maple, sandy beach, minty fresh, sky silk, royal gold, peach fudge, olive blue, terracotta, glacier blue, and lilac mist. These are day themes. If you want night themes, then this is midnight blue, charcoal grow, cyberpunk neon, deep space, forest shadow, blood moon, electric indigo, graphite slate, pink nebula, oceanic depths, onyx blacks, Crimson Knight, Green Aurora, Steam Park, and Steel Select. So for now, I am just going with Royal Gold, which I like. Okay. Now this is the Trip Master entry, but before entry, I am just showing this dashboard. This will gather all aid data. You will click on any records and it will show for collapsible with data like description, amount of trip expense, advance, loading grade, and this is header information. Here you can see this is the truck number, trip number, branch, date, okay, and opening kilometer, closing kilometer, Ramaka. Here you can see its information, truck number, trip number, branch, date, loading, and so on. Trip expense. Here everything can be collapsible. Header information. And not only this, you can search it also like RA M Ramakant. If you want AA, this is the A. If you want P, this is the P. Okay, everything is perfect. Now you have seen the dashboard, you have seen the trip dashboard, you have seen the themes. Now before going to trip expense, we have to see branch master and you can enable 3D. This will make it 3D, all buttons and so on. So here I am just disabling it. Now I am just going to add a new branch, like say mm, Pune or Pune. Yeah, PUN, full name PUNE, Pune. Just save it. Branch save, and you can see here it is Pune. Okay. Now we are going to trip expenses. This is the main part. What in Visual Software we have to do. So first of all, truck, driver, and branch. I am just going to select manifest. From select manifest, I can select any manifest. Like it will select the truck number, driver, and Delhi branch. If I select another, just A, okay, select. Then it will Kolkata A, and will create a new one. Like let's say the truck number is D DL 52 AC and 1596. Driver, let's say the driver name is Lakshman Prasad. Prasad. And here I can select it for Pune. Now save manifest, here it is, and now just select it. I can edit it also, edit, and then Lakshman Prasad Gupta. Save it, and it will update like Lakshman Prasad Gupta. Okay. Now just select this. You can see the truck number, driver name, and the branch Pune. Okay. Now just add row. Here I can select date, somewhat like load date, load type, view, view, Salan number DLC0001. And this type from Pune, departure to Motihari. Okay. Via truck road, via truck, truck or via NH. Via NH, distance 25, party, Madan Lal, item 25 boxes, package box, sorry, package, how many count? It is 25, and it should be just boxes. Okay, weight 1500 kg. Rate, rate 150. Driver advance 500. Rate basis APL limited. APL limited. Okay, so total freight it is around 15,000. Okay. Whenever I update the freight, it updates the total freight. And whenever I update the total driver advance, it will update the driver advance. Now just add row and just select it 21 and just put some random data like okay. Just I will just leave it blank. Now in this advance, I just add one row. Okay, description, petrol, advance 500. Okay. Now first of all, I will check empty. So you can see top section trip number is empty. Okay. Main grade row 3 load date is missing and many more. Okay. Blink empty pin. You can see these are blinking all empty pin. So first of all trip number. I will make the trip number as trip 050 opening kilometer 1250 closing kilometer closing kilometer just make it clear and for this just remove this row. Okay, now check empty. All required fields are filled properly. Okay, everything is okay. Now just save it. Whenever saved it, okay, it has been saved. Let us check in our Foxpro database. So just use tabs and just browse it. Here you can see our the latest data trip 050 Pune Lakshman Prasad Gupta. Just click on add. Add button will make it new. Modify will allow you to choose from all registered data like Lakshman. You can also search it. LA, Lakshman Prasad, Ramakant. You can also search it by vehicle number, DL, anything. Okay. You can select any trip like I am selecting the this one. You can load trip and it will load the trip. This has no entry. We can delete it from here. Delete. Okay. Deleted. Okay. Just modify. Just select this one. Load trip. You can see these have three records. We can check empty. Toss opening kilometer is empty here. You can see opening kilometer is empty. Okay. We can modify Ramakant load trip. This has only one records and we can modify it just like say I am just doing something like yeah, BR just make it random. Okay, 15,000. Okay. Now just save it and it will save. That means it will update it. Okay. Just click on add. Just modify. Just select this load trip and will say all updated data are here. Now you can print it. So here you can see trip expense report, truck number, load details, advance details, expense details, copyright Dr. Piyusha and so on. So print is there. So you have seen the add button functionality, modify button functionality, delete button functionality. What is this cancel button functionality? First of all, just choose modify and choose this one, load trip, okay one. Just add any data and put anything. And now when you cancel, it will revert it to its original state. Okay, it will revert its original state having one records. Okay, so add, modify, delete, cancel, save. These are completed. Check empty is also completed. Print is also. Now Excel. If you click on Excel, Excel library not loaded. Check internet connection. This will require internet connection. Now export JSON. If you have not fully entered the data, you can just export this one. Okay, and when you want next time to add, you can just import this data, and here you can see overwrites the data import successfully. You can see the data. What happened if you just like select this load trip, and if you import here, then it will ask this. Okay, and you see everything has been changed. So just click on add without clicking on anything, and if you modify it again, you will see until and unless you save the data, it will save, otherwise it will not save. Okay, so export JSON, import JSON is completed. Print, check, save, cancel, everything is completed. For Excel, we need to connect internet. I am just connecting the internet. Okay, now where the internet connection. So you can see this Excel file has been generated. You can see there are four sets. Okay, header details will share all the header details. Load details will show only the load details. Advanced will show only the advanced details. And expense will show the expense detail, which is nothing. Okay. So you can see that each and everything is working perfectly. Branch master is also working perfectly. And now if you click on trip dashboard, it will also fetch the Lakshman Prasad Gupta data. Here you can see. Okay. So everything is okay. So now and going to be. So I think you have now aware of this project. This is fully backend by Visual Fox Pro. 100% Visual Fox Pro backend. So good luck for your work. Hope you like this video. We will meet soon again in another video very soon.